Oh my god, Becky, look at those wheels. This car must belong to some YouTube star's girlfriend. That's going up on YouTube tonight. Oh yes, new wheel day has come. Alright, so we have got some brand spanking new shoes for the Project Audi. So you've got some Continental ExtremeContact DWS06 PLUSs in the 255/35/19. On something, some 19-inch somethings, what do we have?
Let's find out. I don't like opening this with the
with the box knife?
With the box knife, I am so
Would
scared.
you rather have the Sawzall?
No. I just do not want to cut my new tires
Just
or
feeling
wheels.
it open. Oh, that is the front. You're opening the front. Alright, it's the very first time she's ever seen them. First set of wheels you've ever owned. Ready?
Ready.
Ba, ba, ba.
Ooh. Wow. They're so pretty. Look at those.
So what we have here is the TSW Mechanica, right?
Yeah, Mechanica.
In the 19 by 9.5, so the super aggressive sizing here for the S4, and they are the ultra silver with the mirror cut face. And we did that on purpose. One, we hate black wheels, and two, your car is an Alu Optics car. So you can see, also we have an RS grill with a chrome ring, but it's got the aluminum side blades down the side. We've got the S4 mirror housing caps on it, and the chrome all around the windows is all still present on the car. And so these nice shiny wheels are going to look amazing on that deep sea blue pearl S4. And that looks like lug nuts for this wheel, right? Mm-hmm. Oh man, look at that. God, that seriously, you should see it through the camera. Like the green rag, it like catches all the facets on the wheel. So we paid full price for these from Fitment Industries. This is not sponsored at all. This is a completely our own deal, and we are just sharing the love here because we are super excited for these. This wheel has just the center caps. I'm guessing the other wheel, one of the other wheels must have the lug nuts.
They put on there?
Yeah?
You see that? Like
Oh,
they're nice and light colored, and
Yeah, they're not just your standard dark gray
they're
iron
all
weights.
over too. They're so pretty. I like the shiny.
Would you like to feel the ever so satisfying?
Whoa.
Plop that in there.
Gotta shine it first.
Oh yes, of course.
Okay. It just pops right in here.
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
Woo-wee.
There she is.
All right, let's get these babies on the car.
All right. There you go.
Yeah.
That's shiny. Shiny, shiny.
The first, what's it gonna look like on the car?
Ooh, potential.
Alright, we can have a good look at these side by side now. So this is the original wheel for our S4. This is the optional 19-inch, I believe they're 19 by 8.5 from Audi for the S4. These are the wheels you need in order to have no speed limiter on the car, or the increased speed limiter, something like that, that's tied into the wheels. But this particular car has the Sport Diff and the Audi Drive Select in the 19s. These are popularly called peelers on the forums because these basically look like a vegetable peeler. Porsche has a very similar design wheel on the 911 turbos in the 997 generation, which are pretty cool looking, but those come all staggered and they've got more of a flat face. So there's kind of like Porsche peelers and Audi peelers. So anyways, these are the original peelers. These TSWs are a 19 by 9.5, so they are an inch wider. Even though we're running the same size tire, it's going to give us a more aggressive offset and fill out the wheel wells of the car more. This is the Mechanica. These have been discontinued, actually. I don't know if they're coming back or if they're just temporarily done or whatever, but this was the last set of Mechanicas anywhere that fit this car in the mirror cut finish. So we were super happy to get our hands on these because this is definitely what we wanted for the car. We also sprung for the optional ceramic coating from Fitment Industries in order to help protect these wheels over the life of them, which is really cool. I've never had ceramic coating on wheels before, so this should be super interesting. Hopefully it will help keep stuff like this brake dust down and make it easy to wipe off and keep the wheel looking this shiny and clean. So let's get this on the car for the first time.
They're so sticky.
Right? Yeah, these Continentals, super love them. We had them on Trace, the silver A4 that we had these tires. Super happy with them. Let me get it up on the hub. Got to go up just a little bit. Part of buying these from Fitment Industries, you give this premier package thing in here about they check everything to make sure everything is correct. You can get the lug nuts with them and everything. But yeah, they've got inspected by and all that stuff. It talks about the accessories, the weights, the ceramic coating. You even get a little refresh spray for your ceramic coating. Which is just really cool that they took care of it. Really well packed foam on both sides. Like, I don't have any complaints about that at all. Shipped fast too. They were here well before expected. So, yeah, kudos to Fitment. Alright, time for the grand reveal. Ready? Would you take a look at that? There's one in the full bright sun for you so you can see everything about the mirror cut face. So again, these are the TSW Mechanicas. They are in a 19 by 9.5, 5 by 112 bolt pattern. I don't know the offset off the top of my head. I'll put it in the description below. Here they are in full shade. And we actually really like the two-tone aspect of them. If you look, they have a silver paint color that matches the silver Audi Optics trim, and then the mirror cut face matches the actual like chrome trim around the windows and the mirror and stuff. So it actually like ties everything together way nicer than the stock wheels did. And that fitment is just on the money. Like, you can't get any better than that. Obviously it can come down a little bit. I mean, we also haven't trimmed the car, so the springs will settle probably about a ½ inch. This side was jacked up and put down first, but yeah, I mean, you could see like perfect flushness there as far as that goes. We just got to address a little bit of gap there. We can come down an inch or so, and that would just be perfect and lovely. Well, there's only one thing left to do now. I need rolling shots. You gotta drive it.
All right.
Gotta get you driving by so we can see what they look like on the move. Alright, there's one final thing to do. In the MMI system here under the car screen, go down here to tire pressure monitoring. Anytime you put on new wheels or new tires, you have to store the recommended pressure in order to tell the car that that's what the pressures are supposed to be. These don't actually use TPMS monitors inside the tire. It checks rolling resistance and all sorts of other crazy stuff like that. So once you have them set and you know they're set correctly with a gauge outside on the tires, you tell the car inside and then you're set. Well, there you go. There is the new shoes on Project Audi, our B8 S4, now rocking the TSW Mechanicas. We will have more mods coming to this thing through the months, so definitely hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more B8 Audi S4 stuff. What do you think?
They're amazing! Thank you!
I think somebody really likes them.